John had 3/4 as many pencils as Yenni. Find the ratio of the number of pencils John had to the number of pencils Yenni had. So back to our fractions fundamentals, when we read this statement, we have to understand that the 3 units here belongs to John, and the 4 units in the denominator belongs to Yenni. Okay, so now the question is asking for ratio of John to Yenni. So remember to write down your title of ratio, J to Y first. And we already know the respective units that belongs to each person from this sentence. So simply 3 is to 4. And that's our simplest ratio, so that will be our answer. Now, question 12. The ratio of John's salary to Peter's salary is 3 to 7. What fraction of the total salary is John's salary? So this is the opposite. This time they give you the ratio and they are expecting us to find a fraction. Now, before I go on to the fraction, we first got to understand from this statement what exactly goes into our numerator and our denominator respectively. So when they say what fraction of the total is John's salary, that means John's salary should be in our numerator. Okay, so I'm just going to write that down, and I think you should write this down also. So John's salary is in the numerator. And what is in the denominator? So if they say what fraction of the total salary, that means out of the total salary, you want John's fraction. So John is at the top, so your bottom should be the total salary. Okay, so get this clearly laid out first. So total salary at the bottom. Once you have laid this out and be sure what you are looking for, your aim now is to go and find out how many units is John, how many units is the total. There's only units to work with here. Okay, so firstly, record down your ratio first, J to P, 3 to 7. This is a good habit, right? So next is you have John, 3 units, fair enough. I need the total as well. Okay, so work out your total units. So total, simply just take your John and Peter and add them together. So total is a total of 10 units, and there you go. You can go and create your fraction based on what we discussed here. So John is 3 over the total will be 10. So 3 over 10, and that is our simplest fraction.